guys, all this mess. So we're gonna clean all this up. Since we just came from an event, we got our soaps in those bins. We gotta put it up there, and we gotta put this away and clean this soap making table. So we're gonna do that for today. It's gonna be a studio vlog. Yeah. First, let's go ship out these orders. So we're gonna go package these. These are 2 orders. One got 3 and the other one got 1. So we're gonna go ahead and package them, and then we'll ship them together. £1 and 4.8 ounce. That's how much this weighs. So we're gonna go ahead and some emailing. We're finally done cleaning the soap studio. This is my stainless steel table, and it's all done. I got my boxes there, and then we got that organized, and there's no more boxes on the floor. Sometimes I use the AC that's right there when it gets too hot in here. I use the AC to keep the soaps a little cold. Yeah, we're about to, I haven't restocked yet because I just came from an event. So we'll restock very soon. and I have to make a video on how I use these shreds or confetti. It's like a confetti, they call it a confetti soap. Use your extra shreds of soap. But anyways, that's how it's looking like. We're taking picture of today, and I got my background for my pictures, and I'm gonna need some flowers, so I'm gonna go ahead and pluck some flowers out of the ones that I already have. Let me show you where it is. So yeah, that's that, and these are the flowers I'm gonna use. They're gonna go bad very soon, so I might as well use them now. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, it's the next day and we're going to get a car wash. That's what we got on our to-do list today. Car wash. Then we're gonna do our aloe vera for our aloe vera soap. We have to freeze it, we have to gel it, and then we have to gel it and then freeze it. And it's kind of raining. I'm not sure why I'm going to get a car wash, but I'm mainly going because of the vacuum. I need to vacuum the inside of the car, so that's why I'm mostly going to get a car wash, because the outside it rained. But then again, just because it rained doesn't mean that it actually cleaned the car, you know. Some like bird poop actually stain on the car. They stain the car for a while and the rain can't really get it off. So we're gonna go ahead and try and get that done today, so hopefully it will be a productive day. So because yesterday was a productive day, so let's go get a car wash. To get what we actually came here for, which is the vacuum. I see some people actually going in to just get the vacuum. They just drive to the vacuum. They don't really drive through the car wash. And I feel like that's kind of like cheating and stealing, because it's like these two things come together. Like, it's not a free vacuum. You're supposed to get your car wash and then you get the free vacuum. The car wash, now we're headed to the grocery store. We're gonna grab some few things. We're done. This is my tea. We just got home. This one today, this is chamomile herbal tea. I'm gonna try it with some ginger and honey. and some lime, of course. Tailor peeler to peel the ginger. That's how it is.